Transform your Webflow site into an organized powerhouse with this clear tutorial on creating stunning, user-friendly accordions. First, let's dive into Webflow and grab our primary building block. Click on the Add panel, then navigate to the Components section and simply drag the accordion element onto your canvas. You'll see a default structure appear. This component is made up of several key parts: the main accordion wrapper, the individual accordion items, and within each item, the accordion header and the accordion content. For better organization and future styling, let's rename our elements in the Navigator panel. Select your accordion wrapper and give it a descriptive name like main accordion. Then do the same for each individual item, perhaps naming them sequentially like item 1, item 2, and so on. Now, let's make it beautiful. Start by selecting an accordion header in the Style panel. You can adjust its typography, change the background color, and add padding to create visual separation and appeal. A common accordion feature is an indicator icon to show its state with the header selected. Use the Add Element panel to insert an icon element. You can then choose your desired icon and position it to the right or left of your header text. Next, let's style the content that will be revealed. Select an accordion content wrapper here. You can set its background color, add generous padding to make the text easy to read, and adjust the typography for this section. A crucial part of the accordion is its functionality. To test how it expands and collapses, simply click on an accordion header in the designer to toggle its content visibility. This gives you an immediate preview of the user experience. Webflow intelligently handles the open and closed states. You can even fine-tune these states. Select an accordion item, and in the element settings, you'll find options to control specific visual changes when the accordion is open or closed, like slight color shifts or margin adjustments. And there you have it, a correctly created, beautifully styled, and functional accordion, ready to enhance your Webflow website's user experience and visual appeal.